Hi there. Today we're going to look at Unified.to webhooks and how to use them. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Unified.to docs and navigate to Unified APIs, overview. Here you'll see a section on webhooks. The very important part is this. This is the format of payload that's going to be sent to you when webhooks is triggered. And in here, you'll see the data field, which will include the array of objects that you selected to run through webhook. So for example, CRM contact will be the object type. Now let's go to our dashboard and see how we can set up a webhook. First, we will go to integrations and see which integrations support webhooks. This is easy to do. You just choose enable the filter for webhooks. You'll see a bunch of them do support that. Today we'll focus on HubSpot, which I already activated and created a user connection. As you can see here, I have a HubSpot user connection and it's healthy, which is great. Next, we will go to webhooks and try to set up a webhook for this connection. So click new webhook, choose the connection that you want to attach to the webhook. First, you'll see a list of objects that you can use for the webhook. So for example, company. We're interested in all the companies that were recently created. Next, I'll add hook URL where I want to send the data. Next one is the interval. So this is how often our webhook system will run and check for new data. On the tester plan account, the minimum is 60 minutes. On the paid account, you can go as low as 1 minute. So basically checking every minute. This is very important for you when you set up your product. If you wanted to support more frequent data sync for paid customer versus maybe running a freemium model where you want to sync once an hour, once a day. This way you can control your spend on Unified and have a better user experience. Finally, you can choose which fields to include, for example, name and the row field, which has all the raw data, or leave it empty if you want all of them. Finally, there is this handy flag, include initial data. So this will use our advanced pagination system as well as backup system, retry, error handling, etc. Both for reading data and writing and dispatching it to your webhook URL. So we'll take care of all the historic data that you have in your account. So for example, if I wanted to synchronize all the companies from my HubSpot and then monitor newly created companies here, all I need to do is enable this flag and then save. So once I create a webhook, I can see an overview here. So for example, I have two webhooks. One is unhealthy. If I wanted to see what's going on there, I can click on the information. Here I'll see the status. Last time it was checked, but also a handy lightweight audit trail. So as you can see, it was working fine initially, then it failed to dispatch, eventually failed to dispatch furthermore until it got to the unhealthy state. This is because I was running a temporary server, which I turned off and stopped responding. So as you can see, our advanced backup system will keep on trying until it is successful. All you need to do is respond with a success once you receive the data. Finally, if you are testing webhook, especially on the tester plan, you don't want to wait an hour for it to trigger. You can trigger it manually by clicking on this button. It will schedule to the webhook to run right away and send any data that it finds to you. This is all. You can always manage the webhooks here. You can delete them, etc. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy integrating. Thank you.